Hello everybody, welcome here to MarineMax in Pompano Beach. My name is Chris Wenstrom, standing aboard a Cruisers Yacht's 60 Cantius, and today we're going to be talking about 5 key features. We're going to go ahead and get started here in the Salon, and wanted to highlight the one thing that I think is really cool on this boat is that they maintained a single level deck from the helm through the Salon, through the galley, out into the cockpit, so you have a nice seamless flow in and out of the boat, so you don't have to take any weird steps to get up or down any certain level, and you've got nice flow through this entire boat. So as you can see, with the 60-footer, you are packed full of features, beautiful pop-up flat screen TV, dual refrigeration, dishwasher, and this is done in the high gloss finish as well. I know we talked about a couple different wood options, but another cool feature with this power sliding window and with these doors open, you can see the flow in and out of the boat is literally seamless. So you don't have to step down into the cockpit, and you've got nice movement in and out from inside and outside to give you a much larger feel when you are entertaining out on the water. Continuing on here aboard the 60 Cantius, we're going to talk about some cool features here in the cockpit. As you can see, we did keep the sliding window down, so as you can see, nice movement here in and out from the bar stools into the galley. And I do have an extendable sunshade that'll also come out of the hardtop here. But something that I think is really neat if you are working your way into a dock where you've got some limited visibility and you can't quite see from the helm, you can come back here, and I have 2 docking stations. I have one here on the starboard side, and another one just below my cooktop grill is another docking station, so I can literally look back behind the boat and I can maneuver into any tight dock that I may have. But nice flow as I work my way in and around the cockpit here. One thing that's really cool with the 62, go ahead and work your way down that staircase, and I have 2 real wide walkways up into the cockpit from the submersible swim platform. So nice 360-degree movement around this aft seating assembly, and allows your guests to be able to move seamlessly from either side of the boat. So as we are back down here, as you can see, really expansive swim platform. I do have my rails there if I wanted to put some custom chocks in for a tender, but something that is really, really special on the 60 Cantius is this lazarette here that is powered. So I press up on this hatch, and that whole lid powers up. People love to see that thing power up and down. It's got nice curvature to it and gives me access to all this available storage down below. So great place to hang some extra dock lines, cleaning buckets, anything you want to toss in the water for water toys, etc. And then another push of the button, and everything tucks away nice and clean, and maintains that nice profile of the boat when this is tucked away. Nice seamless look here on the aft end of the boat. Working our way up into the bow of the 60 Cantius, as you can see, clearly the best seat in the house. Tons of available seating up here. This extremely long bench seat can easily host 6 people to sit here comfortably. I do have my cocktail tables already out, so you can see it still gives you some movement around those tables, so it's not just one giant table that you see. They're individual, which I do like. I do have an insulated cooler in the middle, and then as you can see, these twin loungers up front give you an ample amount of room to just do some lounging up front here. They do have backrests that will pop up if you wanted a little bit different vantage point. Kick that backrest underneath, and now you've got a nice flat lounger. So one thing they did really well is they maximize the usable space up here for storage. So right underneath these lounger seats, you've got nice dedicated storage underneath on both sides. And then you've got your cooler, as I mentioned, additional beverage holders, and something really neat too is they molded an additional storage compartment right here in the side of the seat. So this is an extra place to toss some extra fenders if you wanted to. And one thing that I really like aboard the 60, especially working my way up into the bow, is how high this bow rail is. So a nice sense of security for anybody who might be a little conscious of falling overboard. They've got a great place to be able to grab onto as they work their way up into the bow. So thank you for joining us aboard this walkthrough video of the Cruisers Yacht 60 Cantius. Again, my name is Chris Wenstrom here at MarineMax in Pompano. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.